या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू कूनू क़व्वामीना बिल-क़िस्ति शुहदा लिल्लाह वला यजरिमन्नकुम शनआनु क़ौमिन अला अल्ला तादिलू इअदिलू हुवा अक़रबु लित्तक़वा. O you who profess to believe, stand up with full force to establish justice in this world and be witnesses for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Please remember this ayah from Surah Al-Ma'idah, in the very beginning of Surah Al-Ma'idah. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu kunu qawwamina bil-qist. To establish just social order. Stand up, guard up your loins, and spend whatever you have. Kunu qawwamina bil-qist. Shuhada lillah. Be witnesses for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What is it? Witnesses for Allah. What is it? You have the Jehovah's Witnesses here. The same concept. The concept is the same. The source is the same. The source of Christianity and Judaism and Islam is the same. Actually, the basic concepts are the same. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. This is the Iqamatul Deen. This is the establishment of the Deen of Allah on earth. Thy kingdom come. In the same way, be witnesses for Allah. That is, what does it mean?